Hello girls, how are you today? Today I'm going to use bronzer on the cheek areas and all over the face. Yeah, so now take some bronzer, a little bit of it. We will first start from the forehead, okay? From the top of the forehead. Make sure that you choose a bronzer that is suitable for our skin, okay? Apply like this. Yeah. Apply it accordingly from cheeks to the bones to the chin. It should not appear too much, but it helps us to apply bronzer correctly. Okay, so you see, we need to use many brushes to make us look more appealing. These are cheekbones areas, so the sizes of the brush should be according to your cheekbone. The one that I'm using is perfect for my cheekbone. Yeah, so make sure that you align the brush properly along with your cheekbones like this so that there is no misalignment. So as you can see, I have taken a proper size of the brush and now I will apply the bronzer like this on the side of the forehead. Yeah, so now apply the brush in downward motion and make sure that you use the right kind of brush. Okay. Now as you can see, I am moving this brush delicately downward and then on top. You have to make sure that the brush covers all the areas of the faces so that the bronze is applied properly onto the face like this. You also have to make sure that both sides of the faces are properly bronzed. So now as I have told you, I'm going to use different kind of brushes to apply the bronzer. So these are the two brushes that I have over here and this is the third one. So choose the brush according to the area of the cheek, okay? And also make sure that smile a little bit in between, like this. Yeah, apply on the profile. Okay, so now on the other side. Now on the cheekbones over here in downward motion so that the cheeks are in alignment with the face. Now we will take another brush over here and as you can see, it is smaller in size. Okay, again we will go in downward motion in defined lines. And also pout a little bit so that it is properly applied on the side of the cheek. As you can see, now I will use a bigger brush and choose one brush. So here I have chosen this brush according to the size of my cheekbone, like you can see right here. I think I will remove some of this area a little bit. It really bothers me. There are some differences in two faces result. The first one might look good while the other one looks not too effective, so we can replace the brushes accordingly. Maybe you can see the enhancement here in the cheek area like the letter E. So as you can see that I'm making a letter E over here. I will pull down from here like this and then here as downward motion again to the chin. So you can see that it's making a letter E on both sides of the face, which gives a proper contour to the entire face area. Okay. This will make our face look slimmer, but I think this will make us feel more convenient, and whatever that we use for makeup, it will make us look shinier, better and more beautiful. To do that, we need to use a lot of good makeup tools over here, which I have used during our session. So always remember that the makeup tools that you use should be according to the makeup that we are doing. Yeah. So you have seen that in this session, I used brushes which is according to the area of the face that I applied the bronzer. So I used a thin brush for the thin area and a fat brush to spread the bronzer properly all over the face. So the use of the brush is a very important factor. The bronzer that I used today is a very natural color. It is good for our skin and face, and we need to choose bronzer that is suitable for our purpose. Like if you want a dark bronzer, you can use a dark one and a light one for the cheekbones. So make sure that you use the right kind of color for your face which suits your skin tone as well. Thank you. Bye.